Hello, my name is Mamta. Today I will talk about Modi ji. Modi ji, why Modi ji? Because Modi ji is a popular personality. People know him, and people know a lot about him. So this is why I'm gonna give some points on him. And after listing all the points, I will try to give you a very interesting conclusion. So let's get started. Let's see how much I know about Modi ji. So Modi ji is a man. Yes, Modi ji is de facto prime minister of a country. Modi ji has been in a ruling party, is a member of ruling party for more than 10 years. So basically Modi ji is in power. Modi ji has been in power for more than 10 years. He has been BJP has been the ruling party for more than 10 years. Uh, Modi ji is a married man, and because he is a married man, he has a wife, but he does not live with his wife. He lives alone. His wife lives alone. Her wife, name of her wife is Yasoda Ban. Ban is like Gujarati use this uh, in the end of their names. So her name is Yasoda Ban. I'm not 100% sure about her name, Yasoda Ban, but as far as I can remember, this is her name. She lives in Gujarat alone as a teacher. She's a teacher. And Modi ji is a Gujarati person. He is from Gujarat. He belongs to Gujarat. And he started his career, complete career from Gujarat because he is from Gujarat. He started his, whatever I can say, he started everything with, he was chai wala. He was chai wala in childhood. I don't know how much is this fact true that is given by Modi ji, but he said in so many interviews that he was chaiwala in his childhood. So let's not get into it. And after that, he became chief minister of Gujarat, and he ruled as a chief minister of Gujarat for so many years, and after that he became prime minister of India. And again, as I said, he has been in the ruling party, in ruling party for more than 10 years. So he is our prime minister. Modi ji loves talking about Hindu Muslim. This is something, why I'm saying this, because I've listened to a lot of speeches of Modi ji, and I've seen that he loves talking about Hindu Muslim. Because I remember uh, before 2014, when ruling party was Congress, people were not people were not very much interested in talking about Hindu Muslim. But since BJP came in party in 2014, people have been talking about Hindu Muslim. People have been talking about Hindu Muslim all the time. Even on news channel, if you go there, they are discussing Hindu Muslim all the time. And so this is what is happening in our country. After this, Modi ji has so many friends. Some popular names are Adani, Ambani, Amit Shah, son of Amit Shah. He's a chairman of BCCI. Okay, so these are some favorite people, favorite names. So yeah, this is all that I can remember right now. But trust me, I know more than this. I know more than this about Modi ji. But right now, I cannot remember those things that I know. Why? Because this is how my brain is. Okay, and so sometimes I ask students to speak about topic, and they start speaking, and after speaking for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, they are like, they confuse like what to say, what not to say, and they blame themselves that they are not able to speak this language. But this is not about they know this language or not. It is about content. Okay, we are not able, our brain is not capable of remembering things at a time when we are speaking. Okay, so what we can do? So firstly, we should stop blaming ourselves that we do not know how to speak this language. This is why we are not able to speak this language. It is just because our brain is not capable of remembering things at a time when we are speaking. So you have to work on collecting content or collecting points at the time. Like whenever you are speaking, you should know how to collect points. Because right now I'm speaking about Modi ji, but whatever I have just said about Modi ji is just like 2-3% of what I actually know about Modi ji. It doesn't mean I cannot speak. I can speak if I can read. If I read what is given like about Modi ji, I can speak in my own language, in English. But because I do not have, because I my brain cannot remember, and I do not have anything that I can read from, दिस इज़ वाई कैन नॉट स्पीक. मेरा पॉइंट सिर्फ इतना है कि आपका दिमाग सिर्फ याद नहीं कर पाता है, इसलिए आप नहीं कह सकते हो कि आप बोल नहीं पाते हो. इट इज़ अबाउट कि आपका दिमाग पॉइंट्स को एक उस टाइम पे कलेक्ट करके नहीं ला पा रहा है. सो स्टॉप ब्लेमिंग योर सेल्फ. आप इस चीज़ पे ध्यान दीजिए कि आप उस टाइम पे कंटेंट किसी पॉइंट्स को कितना कलेक्ट कर पा रहे हैं अपने दिमाग में. आप बोल तो लोगे ही, है ना. And making grammatical mistakes are very common. You can make 2-3 mistakes, like it is completely okay. But आपको समझना पड़ेगा कि आप किस तरीके से पॉइंट्स को कलेक्ट कर रहे हो. थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड बाय बाय.